Yo, what is up guys? So finally, our order has arrived and finally we have Mitsuri Kanroji inside this box. So I'm really excited to open to see what it actually looks like from the inside so you guys can actually see it. So this is what the box actually look like. So let's unbox it and open it to another room because it's hot here. Let's go! Okay guys, sa wakas, natanggal na natin sa loob ng box si Mitsuri Kanroji. So, by the way guys, Mitsuri Kanroji, the Flower Hashira from Demon Slayer Corps. So far, etong action figure na to, although yes, it's very basic and simple, but somehow I really like this action figure. Kasi, for the reason na makikita natin, if I try to zoom it in, nakuha-kuha niya talaga yung mismong face mula dun sa anime. So, makikita natin yung mismong hair niya, color pink, and then, dito sa side na to, may color green. And then, yung color na ginamit nila dito, hindi masyadong mataas yung sharpness and tamang-tama lang. So, although walang nakalagay sa likuran ni Mitsuri, I still appreciate this action figure. And also, this sword, actually removable to. So, nung nasa loob siya ng box, naka-separate plastic. So, ganito yung itsura mismo ng sword ni Mitsuri. So, balik natin sa loob. Okay, so far, pagdating naman dito sa baba, so okay na okay rin yung, yung mismong pagka-design sa bandang lower part ng katawan ni Mitsuri. So makita natin na napakakinis nung pagkagawa yung skin. So although meron lang konting problema kasi if I try to zoom it in dito, so medyo parang may cut yung mismong legs niya kaya medyo nag-a-appear to. Pero so far, wala naman siyang problema nung na-stand ko, hindi naman siya natutumba. So, I still appreciate this. So, yung base niya mismo, ito lang yung base niya compared dun sa mga iba ko na billing action figure, na medyo malalaki yung base. So, medyo maliit lang na rectangle yung base ni Mitsuri. And then, if we try to check below, so makikita natin na legit rin tong nabili ko na action figure. Focus ko yung camera para makita yung serial number. Ayan, so makikita natin yung serial number nitong nabili ko na action figure. So, yung one way para masabi na yung action figure ay authentic. And also, makikita natin yung mismong kung saan mismo kinrate tong action figure na si Mitsuri. So, makikita natin nakalagay dito, Bandai Spirit Ren. So, medyo hindi ko lang makita yung ibang part kasi medyo siksik sa loob. So, makikita natin na si Mitsuri Kanroji na nabili ko na action figure ay authentic, legit, although napaka-basic. So, what do you guys think about Mitsuri Kanroji na na-unbox ko? Please guys, leave a like and also leave a comment. I want to hear your thoughts patungkol sa nabili ko. And I would really appreciate if you guys would share the video. See you guys!